gracious and merciful. At the beginning of my speech, please take my cordial bow and salam. Assalamu alaikum. I would like to thank you, Ruhul Amin sir, for giving me a chance to say something about myself. This is Mitchell from here. I'm not highly educated, but I'm very much envious and emotional as well. I'm from Nilphamari, Kokshabari, to exact. My father's name is Rajendra Nath. She is a farmer and hardworking man. My mother's name is Shobita. He is a housewife and she is a very hardworking man. First of all, we would like to do something, any kind of work, any kind of job, just keeping on and do it. We never give up it. And I'm learned from Mobashir sir. His teaching also really amazing, and this is the mind blowing. He is my honorable teacher. I really thank him from my heart and soul. He is inspired always me, and someday I shall overcome, inshallah. And pray for me so that I will improve myself, and pray for me, sir. Take is the big medicine for the success.
How do you feel after doing the 2 classes?
Sir, I'm really feeling very good. I will not express myself to you in word. So this is a very.
Now you are confident that I can speak English.
I am confidently. Sometimes I am very nervous and with fears. I will stand here. My heartbeat vibrating right now. This is very fearless, sir. For me. So if I have made any unusual mistake in my presentation, but I am not a good speaker, but I am trying to be, and so for me, still then stay happy and safe. Thank you very much, sir.